Hey guys, today we're unboxing the ARCEE LED headlamp. Let's open this thing up. Alright, so it comes in this nice little case here. The LED light is nice and compact, not big at all. It's you can see here it fits in the palm of my hand. So this would be the band you put around your head to wear it. So there's this plastic clip that slides onto the headband here. And then the light itself just slides onto that plastic clip. And then there's a little latch there that kind of locks it in place. You don't have to worry about falling off. All right, put that on there. So, pretty comfortable. I mean, I can feel it up there, but it's definitely not heavy. Let's see how bright this thing is. So on the side here, there's one power button. Oh, wow. Okay, and then there's a second light. Oh, that's cool. All right, let me turn that off for a second here. Okay, so you can see there's a light on the front here. So the first time you turn that on, that lights up. I mean, it's so bright, you barely even see what's happening there. And then on the top, there's a light that is still going to be super bright. Here, it's on the front now. If I click the power button again, it turns that one on. But it's lighting up the top, which is going to like fill an area more. Or even if you wanted to clip this on the top of your tent and use it for a lamp in your tent, something like that. It's a great option there. And that is super bright. And then there's a dimmer setting you can set it to. Boy, I want to stare at that. And then if you click it again, it goes to a like SOS setting on the front here, which is glowing red. So 4 different modes there. You get your super bright directional. I mean, it's lit up here. Look how bright that is. That's crazy. I mean, this room is bright already. You can easily see that lighting everything up. And then the top light also lighting things up. Lower setting and your SOS setting. All right, so this has another really cool feature. There's a sensor setting. If you click the sensor, now you have this mounted to your head or something. If you're out, you don't want the light on, just turn it off with your hand. Really cool feature there that it can sense that. Boom, turn it off just like that. So another cool thing about this, it does have a clip here. All right, and this is adjustable. You can adjust your angle on your head. This clip here can also be mounted to other things. So say you're wearing a hat, this can slip right on the brim of your hat. So you don't have to wear the headband. If you already have a hat on, just put it on there. Boom, turn it on with your sensor. If you don't want to mess around with the sensor, you can just use the button on the side here. Do it with the standard way, so you don't have to worry about it turning on and off like that. So the other great feature, the thing I love about this, is it's a rechargeable battery. You don't have to deal with finding your little AAA batteries or them going dead, because you can charge this at home, and then every time you take it out, you know it'll be fully charged. It's going to last a while because it's an LED light, so it's super efficient. But no messing around with batteries. It's all built in here. So really excited about this light. Nice little compact light. Tons of cool features, lighting options. I mean, you can use it for a lamp, mount it to your hat, or you can just use the headband they send along. Really nice carrying case they send with it as well, store it in. But then you also have the sensor setting, which makes it easy to turn on and off by just waving your hand in front of it. So really nice headlamp. If you're looking for something like this, this one is awesome. Make sure you check it out.